Hi everybody. So today we will continue on our topic algebraic fractions, and today we will learn how to do some operations on them such as addition and subtraction. Adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. To add algebraic fraction, two or more algebraic fraction we obtain the lowest common denominator. And then add the resulting numerators. Example, let's say since 2 over 5 plus 4 over 5. As we said, this is a fraction and this is a fraction, and then this is a numerator and this is a denominator, same for this. So what is the common denominator here? The lowest common denominator for the both fractions is 5. So to add this, it is equal 5, and then we add the numerator, then 2 plus 4. So we have 2 plus 4 over 5. 2 plus 4, that's 6 over 5. The rule is when we have A over C plus B over C, then simply C is a denominator, and then A plus B is a numerator. To subtract two or more fractions, we obtain the lowest common denominator and then subtract the resulting numerator. Please take care of this word, lowest common denominator. So let's take this example. For example, 7 over 9 minus 5 over 9. This is a subtraction, and then we see that the least common denominator here is the same 9. Then 7 minus 5, this is 2 over 9. So generally we say A over C minus B over C, denominator is C, and then we have here A minus B, because the denominator is like common between two of them. So to find the lowest common denominator, we look for the common multiple of the denominators. Example, we have 3 over 2 plus 5 over 3. We want to add these two fractions, and then we can see that here the denominator is 2 and here is 3. What is the least common denominator between these? Is 6. So this is simply, we can say that we multiply both of here by 3 and here by 2. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 3 plus 5 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 2. Then we can see that now the denominator is like the same. It is equal 3 times 3, that's 9 over 6 plus 5 times 2, that's 10 over 6. Now we have the same numerator, and then applying the rule, we find that 6 here, 10, 9 10 plus 10, that is 19. Let's look at this also. 5 over 6 plus 4 over 9. What is the least common denominator here? We see that we can multiply this by 3, the numerator and the denominator, and here we can multiply by 2, and then we get the common and the least common denominator, that is 18. So this is equal 3 over 3 times 5 over 6 plus 2 over 2 times 4 over 9, and this is equal, here we have 18, 3 times 5, that's 15, plus 18, 4 times 2, that's 8, then this is equal, we have 18 here, 15 plus 8, that's 23. Now, same way, when they are unknowns, in the denominator. Example, 2 over a plus 3 over b. What is the least common denominator here? We multiply this by b, and then here by a, then the least common denominator is AB. What about this? 2 over x plus 4 over 5x. Least common denominator is 5x. Example, simplify. Number 1, x over 2 plus 3x over 4. Number 2, 3p over 5 minus 2p over 7. Number 3, a over 3 minus 2a over 5. Number 4, a over 2 minus a over 3 minus a over 4. Solution 1. So, what is the least common denominator here? We can see that it is 4. Then we have x over 2 times 2 over 2 plus 3x over 4. This is equal. We see that 4 is here and here. Then 4. 2 times x, that's 2x plus 3x. This is equal 5x over 4. Number 2, least common divide. Least common denominator. 3p over 5 minus 2p over 7. It is 35. We multiply this by 7, 7, here 5, 5. Then we get 3p times 7. 3 times 7, that's 21p over 35 minus here 5 times 2, that's 10 p over 7 times 5, that's 35. We see that 35 here. 21p minus 10, that's 11p. Okay, number 3 and 4 from this example is an exercise for you, and I will also add more for you to solve it. So simplify. B over 3 plus 1, B, A over 4 minus A, C, 4 over 3A, D, 3 minus 4 over X.